Hi there, and welcome to Global Warming TV. And in today's show, global warming, is it a problem?
In this brief show, we'll be talking about the questions on this sheet.
Yeah.
Welcome to our greenhouse effect greenhouse, where we shall be explaining the natural greenhouse effect.
The driving force for the weather and the climate is the sun, and the radiation it gives.
30% of this radiation is reflected back into space. However, the rest is absorbed by the Earth or re-reflected by greenhouse gases.
And this process warms the Earth by 33%, but however it is a completely natural process.
Here are some of the main gases that cause global warming. Methane,
Carbon dioxide,
nitrous oxide,
ozone,
water vapor,
chlorofluorine, dolphin, or just CFCs. Whoa! Hi there, I'm in the Earth's atmosphere here, floating on a cloud, and I'm now about to talk to you about some of the major greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is in here because of things like burning fossil fuels and deforestation, and although there's only 0.04% of it in the atmosphere, it is now considered a major greenhouse gas. Methane is released by cows and humans, and it is very effective at retaining heat, and also it has 21 times the impact of a CO2 emission of the same mass. CFCs used to be in most spray cans, foam plastics and refrigerator fluids. They absorb a lot of radiation from the sun and can cause a little something called stratospheric ozone depletion. They can last in the atmosphere from up to 200 to 100 years.
Now we're going to tell you about
the enhanced greenhouse effect.
the quantities of several greenhouse gases in the atmosphere have increased to 25% since 1750. Since the 1980s, 75% of CO2 has come from fossil fuel combustion. The enhanced greenhouse effect is simply described as man contributing to the natural effect of global warming.
Temperatures are forever changing on Earth nowadays. Things like rain and hail are just unpredictable. You see, climate change is a natural cycle which has taken place over the last 18,000 years, as the graph on page 32 of your textbooks will show you.
1.8 million years ago, the Earth alternated between cold and warm periods.
Okay, that's enough of that. Just get me a towel, damn it.
We're now going to look at the positives and negatives of global warming.
Bumper crops because of more fertile and richer soils. Warmer climate instead of the usual boring old English cold weather. Fewer deaths from cold exposure, mainly a good one for the old people there. We've got access to more oil in the North Pole, mainly because of the melting ice allows access. Greener rainforests. The rainforests around the world will get more sunlight and they'll become greener. And also Faith No More will reunite for the Live Earth concert. That's a big positive there. Now hand over to Luke to read out the negatives.
Rising sea levels due to melting land ice. Flooding of low-lying countries, e.g. Bangladesh. More extreme weather. Diminishing freshwater supplies. Spreading of malaria. Madonna performs at Live Earth. And walruses die in stampede.
Wow, there's poor walruses. That's really quite sad. Stop! What can we do to stop global warming?
Well, Danny, have you heard of the 3 R's?
The 3 R's?
Yeah, the 3 R's!
What are the 3 R's?
Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Wow!
These are 3 easy steps to follow to keep the world green. You can also reduce the amount of energy you use and reduce your carbon footprint.
By using materials or products which are made from recycled materials, you can save the earth a lot of hard-earned energy.
That's right! Also, don't forget to recycle all of your glass, plastic, cardboard, and paper. Is there anything else we can do?
Well, you could buy some eco-friendly products and personally just plant some trees. Bye. 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 See ya. Haven't even got a watch on. Bye. My arm's still out.